Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Tuesday morning and happy 4th of July, this American Independence Day. And welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're filming it again from Panattoni Cafe here in the center of Warsaw. And I'm here with Winston Norman, our editor in chief. Winston, let us know what the headlines of the news are for this week.
Thank you,
for
Craig,
today.
from American Corner.
From the American Corner, exactly.
Congratulations.
Spreading happiness to the world.
Enjoy your day.
Yeah.
The headlines for today is 13 new retail brands have entered the Czech Republic, according to Cushman & Wakefield. Clifford Chance advised G-City Europe on the disposal of Atrium Palace Pardubice. Skyliner is guaranteed green energy for another 3 years. And SIMO has issued 75 million euros worth of green bonds.
Well, so a lot going on. So very nice. Again, very nice 4th of July, and we hope everyone is enjoying themselves. All of our American friends and clients, and of course, everyone here in Europe and everyone watching the show. A big thank you to TVP2 and Pytania na Śniadanie show, which we were on earlier today. So if you missed it, I'm sure there's a link there, but I would imagine no one missed it this morning at 7:30 when we were showing it. So very nice to be on the show, and some nice questions about Poland and about time here and sort of Polish American relations, which are always most important on the market. So a lot happening. We were just at the IBF real estate barbecue in Prague, and like Winston just mentioned, a lot more, and we'll hear more about it. A lot of retailers coming into the market every year, and Prague is one of the number one locations for premium and luxury brands. One of the number one locations in Central Eastern Europe. They've got a great street there full of luxury brands and a lot of tourism, a lot of places, a lot of things to buy. We are doing September 19th. And if you're doing anything in retail and interested in Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, Prague is the place to be. We have first of all, we have our retail awards in the evening, which is a great event. You'll meet a lot of new brands coming into the country. That are already here, like Winston just mentioned, 13 more mentioned by or talked about by Cushman Wakefield. They're all invited. Every year it seems like there's between 10 and 20 brands entering the market, always into Prague to start. So good place to meet brands, meet retailers. We also have our marketplace CEE, which we've been doing now 3 years there in Prague at Slovansky Dom. In Empire Hall. Great opportunity for retailers and owners to meet. We've set up a lot of pre-meetings and opportunities for deals to get done and retailers to move in, also for brands to meet partners there. And really a lot on the innovation, metaverse, a lot of information there, a lot of experts there, and some networking and panels on that as well. And also retail logistics is a big part of the market these days. So all the movers and shakers will be there. And again, September 19th, take a look at our website for more information, or just drop me a message on that. So we'll take a little break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We got Winston Norman here, our editor-in-chief, about the news for the day. And again, happy American 4th of July Independence Day. Winston?
Thanks, Craig.
Yeah.
So, Cushman & Wakefield said that 13 new brands have arrived in the Czech Republic for the first 6 months of this year, and most of them are from the fashion segment. And there's about, and also the food and beverage segment is also very popular in the Czech Republic.
I did have a lot of food and beverage when I was in Prague last week.
I'm glad
Yes,
you took that opportunity to eat some nice
To-
things.
yeah, exactly.
And apparently, food and beverage is the strong sector in the Czech Republic, and that sector is expected to grow by the end of the year. And the biggest, one of the biggest retailers that's entered the market recently was Victoria's Secret.
I saw them as well. Very nice shop.
Saw them,
Yeah,
did a bit of shopping there.
There was a lot of nice things in that shop.
Yeah, and they recently opened in Westfield's Hodhoff shopping centre. And according to Cushman & Wakefield, the retail market is mostly about innovation and new ideas, quality products, and a strong story. For newly arriving, active and successful brands, these are the key drivers of their further growth and their ability to stay on the market in the long run. And like you rightly said, generally new retailers do go into the Czech Republic, Prague, as their first instance before expanding around the region.
Yeah, and you mentioned Hodhoff, which is Westfield Hodhoff, and they're actually one of our biggest partners for this event. Look, and of course they're very active, looking for new concepts, looking for new, let's say, experiences and brands for their mall there. So if you're looking in the Czech Republic retailer, they're going to be there. The leasing team's there, looking to do deals.
Staying in the Czech Republic and in the retail market, in G-City Europe, which was formerly Atrium European Real Estate, they've disposed of Atrium Palace Pardubice shopping centre, and the strategy is part of their strategy of divesting non-core assets. And according to Clifford Chance, who represented G-City Europe in the transaction, they also sold an adjacent plot next to the centre, and the deal was around 124 million euros. Moving to Poland and in Warsaw, the Skyliner office building owned by the Karampol Group has extended its contract, which guarantees 100% green electricity from renewable energy sources for the next 3 years. And the supplier is E.ON Group. And thanks to the new contract, Skyliner will be even more environmentally friendly to people and the environment, in line with the owner's ambition. And the electricity that's going to power the skyscrapers from onshore wind farms. And according to Mariola Kopachinska, key account manager at E.ON Polska, sustainability is embedded in the DNA of the E.ON Group. We continuously support our customers and give them the tools to enable their green transition. And according to Szymon Zydunczuk, who's from the Karampol Group in Polska, what is extremely important for the function of the office building, as well as for its tenants, is that the implementation of solutions including electricity from renewed energy sources make the service charge one of the lowest among Warsaw's A-class office buildings. So very attractive for tenants there.
Yeah, Karampol's always been on the market a long time and always one of the cutting edge companies in developing. And good to see they're working with E.ON as well.
Yeah, and finally for today, SMO has announced the successful pricing of 75 million euros worth of green bonds. The green bonds have a 5-year term and carry a fixed coupon of 5.5% per annum. And the transaction was managed by Erste Group. The green bonds have a minimum denomination of 500 euros and are being marketed for subscription by private investors in Austria and Germany until the 11th of July. The green bonds will be listed on the official markets of the Vienna Stock Exchange, and proceeds will be used to finance and refinance green projects in SMO's future framework.
Oh, great! So we can even buy the bonds ourselves and help the environment.
Yeah, 500 euros a pop.
500 euros. Oh, maybe we can get one between us. Yeah. Okay. Not zlotys, not 500 zlotys. No. Okay, euros. Yeah, there we go. Is that all we have for today?
Yeah, those are the highlights for today.
All right. Well, Winston, thank you very much. Thank you for all watching the Coffee with Craig show. As you know, we normally do the show on Mondays here in the Panattoni Cafe, but we decided to do it today, Tuesday, because of American Independence Day. We thought it would be nice to film in this great place. So if you're here in the center and you want nice breakfast, nice coffee, this is the place to pop over and see. Enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you Wednesday morning with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.